Hello, what is up everyone, and welcome back to our test series of Polynomials chapter of class 10. And this is a time for our 6th question. So let's have a look at our question. Okay, so this is quite interesting question. So here they have given us one cubic polynomial. So it means that it could have maximum number of 3 zeros. Okay, so we have to keep all these things in our mind. Okay, so now what they are saying that out of 3 zeros, 2 of them have same magnitude. So for an example, let's say that those 2 zeros are alpha and alpha, but they are saying that they have different sign. So one is positive and another one is negative. Okay, so now we can suppose that our 3 zeros are alpha, minus alpha, and our third one is beta. So these are our 3 zeros. Okay, this is very clear to you. So now how should we begin to solve this? Well, as usual, first we are going to write the value of a, b, c and d from our polynomial. So now see our polynomial and write down the values of a, b, c and d. Okay, this is very clear. Okay, now we are going to recall our relationships between the zeros and the coefficient. And since it is a cubic polynomial, it means that it would have 3 relationships, but we need only 2 relationships, right? Okay, so our first relationship, sum of zeros equals to minus b by a. And what's the value of b? Yes, it is minus 5 and a is 1. So here we have simply a positive 5, right? Only 5. So sum of zeros is equals to 5. Now let's do the sum of our zeros. So we have alpha plus and then minus alpha plus beta. And now you can see that those alpha and minus alpha can get cancelled out. So here we simply have beta equals to 5. And we got our first zero, which is beta as 5, right? So this is the value of beta, which is 5. Now let's move to our next relationship, which is the product of zeros, and it should be equal to minus d by a. What's the value of d? It is 80 and a is 1. So here we simply got minus 80. And now let's do our product on the left hand side. So we will get alpha into minus alpha into beta, and we know that beta is equals to 5. So we can write this as minus 5 alpha square, right? Very clear to you. Now just cut out those minus signs on both the sides and take 5 on the other side. So here we have alpha square equals to, yes, 16. And now just take the under root and we will get the value of alpha as 4. Well, plus or minus 4. Why? Because 4 into 4 would also give us 16 and minus 4 into minus 4 would also give us 16, right? So we can write this as plus or minus 4. So here we have our total 3 zeros, right? Plus 4, minus 4 and 5. And as they have told us that 2 zeros have same magnitude, and in this case these are 4 and they have different sign. One is positive, one is negative. So that's what our question is. And this was really an interesting question. I hope that you enjoyed this. And by the way, it is a time to give marks to yourself, and this was a 4-mark question. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and now go ahead and join me in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.